Have you ever looked at those stunning designer homes and wondered, how do they always look so polished and expensive? Well, here's a little secret.
Interior designers don't usually start with huge renovations. They focus on a few simple upgrades first, and these small changes can completely transform a space. Today, I'm sharing 12 easy home upgrades that interior designers almost always change first. And the best part is that most of these ideas are, say, this affordable and can be done over a weekend. So before you spend thousands on renovating your home, watch this video till the end, because upgrade number 12 is something most homeowners completely ignore, yet it makes the biggest difference. Let's get started. Upgrade lighting first. Designers often say lighting can either make or break a room. If your home still has basic builder-grade lighting fixtures, changing them should be your first priority. Replace outdated ceiling lights with pendant lights, modern chandeliers, wall sconces, layered lighting. The biggest trend in 2026 is layered lighting, using ambient, task, and accent lighting together. Think about it. Have you ever entered a hotel room and instantly felt relaxed? That's lighting doing its magic. Change cabinet hardware. One of the cheapest upgrades. The biggest impact is changing cabinet handles. Old handles instantly date a kitchen or bathroom. Try matte black, brushed nickel, warm brass, mixed metal finishes. You can completely refresh a kitchen for under a small budget just by changing hardware. Interior designers rarely keep short curtains. Instead, hang curtains close to the ceiling. Let them touch the floor. This simple trick makes ceilings look taller and rooms appear bigger and more luxurious. Tell me in the comments, are your curtains touching the floor or are they too short?
Point 4. Replace harsh white bulbs. Many homes feel cold simply because of lighting color. Switch to warm white bulbs. Warm lighting, it
feels cozy, flatters interiors, makes homes look expensive. Designers are moving away from overly sterile interiors and embracing warmth. Introduce natural materials. Natural materials are dominating interior trends in 2026. Add wood, stone, linen, cotton, rattan, handmade ceramics. These elements instantly create warmth and personality. Instead, designers are choosing beige, taupe, soft clay, warm whites, mushroom tones, sage green. These colors feel timeless and welcoming. Point 6. Paint walls in warm, neutral colors. Cold gray walls are slowly fading. If you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because every week we share simple home decor ideas that help you create a beautiful home without overspending. Modern homes are all about texture. Add texture through cushions, throws, rugs, wood paneling, lime wash walls, textured wallpaper. Texture adds depth without clutter. Point 8. Declutter and curate. Designers don't remove everything. Instead, they curate. Keep only items you love. A few meaningful pieces always look more luxurious than too much decor. Point 9. Upgrade faucets and fixtures. Outdated faucets instantly age a room. Updating faucets and fixtures, bathroom faucets, shower fixtures, kitchen taps, creates a modern appearance without renovation. Designers almost always bring nature indoors. Even one plant can transform a room. Biophilic design continues to grow in popularity in 2026. Point 11. Upgrade soft furnishings. Replace worn out cushion covers, bedding, towels, rugs. Soft furnishings dramatically affect how luxurious your home feels. Choose linen fabrics, layered bedding, neutral palettes, natural textures. Improve storage solutions. Here's the upgrade designers prioritize most. Better storage. Beautiful homes aren't clutter-free by accident. Add baskets, built-ins, hidden storage, decorative boxes, closed cabinetry. Functionality is one of the biggest design trends of 2026. Bonus tip: 3 extra designer secrets. Mix old and new decor. Never buy complete matching furniture sets. Always include personal items like books, travel memories, or family photos. Homes should tell your story. So there you have it, 12 easy home upgrades designers always change first. Remember, creating a beautiful home isn't about spending more money. It's about making intentional choices. Which upgrade are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments, because I love reading your ideas. And if you'd like more budget-friendly home decorating ideas, small space hacks, and interior design tips for 2026, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.